Drug regulatory authorities of European Union. The regulatory bodies are responsible for in the effective drug regulations required to ensure the safety, efficacy, and the quality of a drug, as well as the accuracy and the appropriateness of the drug information available to the public. The European Union is consists of the 28 countries such as Portugal, Belgium, Nigeria, Denmark, France, Germany, etc. The European Medicine Agency (EMA) is the decentralized agency of the European Union. The agency is responsible for the scientific evaluation, supervision, and the safety monitoring of the medicines developed by the pharmaceutical companies for use in the European Union. It is founded in 1995. It works across European Union and globally to protect the public health and the animal health. In its first 2 decades, the agencies recommended the authorization of the total 975 human and 188 veterinary products. Organization structure of EMA. First one is the management board, second is the executive director, third is the scientific committees, fourth is the agency staff. First one, management board. Management board consists of the 36 members. These 36 members appointed to act in the public interest. These members are not represent any government, organization, or any sector from the European Union. This board sets the agency's budgets, approves the annual work program that drawn by the executive director. This management board also ensuring that agencies work effectively and cooperate with the other organization across the European Union or across the world. Second one is the executive director. Executive director is the head of the agency. It has the 530 full-time staff. Executive director responsible for the operational matter, staff related issues, and also drawing the annual work program. Third, scientific committees. EM has the 7 scientific committees and the several working parties involve the experts from the Europe. First committee for the medicinal product for the human use. These are responsible preparing the agency's opinions, all questions concerning the medicines for the human use. Second is the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee is the responsible for assessing and monitoring the safety issues for the human medicines. These include the detection, assessment, and the minimization communication relating to the risk of adverse reaction while taking the therapeutic effect of the medicines. Third, the Committee for the Medicinal Products for the Veterinary Use is responsible for preparing the opinions on a question concerning the medicines for the veterinary use. Fourth, Committee for the Orphan Medicinal Products is responsible for the reviewing the application from people or the companies seeking orphan medicinal product designation for the products that intend to develop for the diagnosis, prevention, or the treatment of the life-threatening or the various serious diseases that affect not more than 5 in 10,000 persons in the European Union. The fifth, Committee on Herbal Medicinal Products. The Committee on Herbal Medicinal Products is responsible for the preparing the agency's opinions on the herbal medicine. Sixth, Committee for the Advanced Therapies is responsible for assessing the quality, safety, and efficacy of the advanced therapy medicinal products. Fourth is the agency staff. The agency staff supports the executive director in carrying out his responsibilities, including administrative and the procedural aspects of the Union law related to the evaluation and the safety monitoring of the medicines in the European Union. The EMA cooperates closely with the national regulatory authorities in European Union countries with the Commission Directorate General of Health in a partnership known as the European Medicines Regulatory Network. It is also interacts with the patient, healthcare professional, and the academic. Application submitted to the EMA. There are 2 regulatory steps for the drug approved to be the marketed in the European Union. These steps are the clinical trial application CTA and the marketing authorization application MAA. CTA is approved at the member state level and the marketing authorization is approved at both the member state or the centralized level. First, clinical trial application. It sets out the new rules and the regulations for the approval and conduct of the clinical trials in the Europe. The sponsor submits the clinical trial application to the authority in each member state where the trials are to be conducted. And marketing authorizations, after the successful clinical trials, the sponsor has to apply for the authorization to the market drug in the Europe. Then depending on the type of a drug product and the intended market, there are four different types of the marketing authorization application are. First one is the centralized procedure, second one is the mutual recognition procedure, third one is the national authorization procedure, fourth one is the decentralized procedure. Types of the marketing authorization applications. Full dossier has to contain the complete data set for common technical document module 1 to 5. Legal type is article number 8. For the generic pure generic application, article 10 in bracket 1. Biosimilar generic biotic product, article number 10 4. Third one is the orphan drug, European Union regulation on orphan medical product EC 141-2000 and the EC 847-2000 apply for the products intended for the treatment of the rare diseases. Fourth is the herbal drugs. The herbal drug was adapted to facilitate the placing on the European market on a traditional herbal medicine products. In particular, herbal products market in the form of the food supplements shall be comply with the Directive 2002/46 EC on the food supplements, and the regulation EC number is 1924-2006 on the nutrition and the health claims made on the foods. Fifth is the certificates of the suitability to EP. CEP is the granted by the Certification Secretariat of the European Directorate for the Quality of the Medicine. It can be used by the manufacturer of pharmaceutical products in their application for the marketing authorization to demonstrate the compliance of the substance with the monographs of the European Pharmacopoeia.